A bubble. And no, not the bubbles where we innocently blew when we were kids with no consequences. Anyway, instead I'm talking about the bubble that could potentially get us financially screwed or become extremely rich, or absolutely does nothing to us and we just live a somewhat stable life, I guess.
You want to know what I do when I'm sad or scared? Nothing.
To understand the AI bubble, we must first understand what a bubble is. This is where there is a quick increase in the prices of assets above its intrinsic value due to speculation, which is then followed by quick decline. So in crude terms, say you have one stock in Microsoft, the actual price of the stock is $500, and this is based on your analysis, so aka the fundamental value, what it's actually truly worth. And then your grandma just pops in and says it's worth more, and then due to your naivety, you believe your grandma and you need to buy more stock. Following that, bad news comes out that Microsoft is struggling. You then believe you are cooked and start panicking, and then therefore you sell. However, it's not just you doing it, as everyone else is following the same trend of selling that stock because everyone can see the news. Then as a result, the stock falls. And when I mean falls, it falls incredibly. Okay, so where were we? Oh yeah, AI bubble. So this diagram came out from Bloomberg recently and has been circulating everywhere, including YouTube. The diagram shows how the AI industry is growing through a self-reinforcing money loop. Big tech companies like Microsoft invest huge amounts into AI companies such as OpenAI. Those AI companies then spend most of that money on things they need to train models. So mainly Nvidia, chips, and cloud services from Microsoft and Oracle. The spending increases the profits and stock prices of the tech and chip companies, making them even more valuable. Because their valuations rise, they can invest even more money back into AI startups, continuing the cycle of money. So what is the concern? Well, the concern is that this growth is happening faster than real AI revenue or proven business models, meaning the industry's value may be inflated and could fall sharply if the promised returns don't arrive. So then the question then becomes, who holds the power exactly? Well, the answer is, drumroll please, AI. Wrong! It's Nvidia. I was just testing you.
Got it!
Alright, why is that? Why Nvidia? Because they are producing graphics cards that are so powerful, they're the only ones that generate that source of power for OpenAI. Well, at least for now. I mean, unless AMD and Intel actually raise their game. Otherwise, this will turn into an absolute juggernaut of a monopoly, if it hasn't already. So, what does that mean for us mere humans with no Bugatti? Well, number one, we can do nothing. Number two, we can continue to go into the hype and continue to buy stocks related to the AI or tech market. Number three, we can either sell our AI stocks or tech stocks, or four, do a combination and diversify the portfolio into different sectors or check out other investments. Just make sure whatever you decide to do, you do it responsibly and properly do your research before making any decision, and consult a professional before doing so. Anyway, punch that like, subscribe button and comment so this video wishes you good fortunes in your ability to see through the AI bubble. Peace.